Ano ba tong award na to? Special jury citation for what? For best dressed of the night? Special jury citation for best performance? Ganun ba yon?
The MMFF jury honors Vice Ganda for his achievement in this year's festival.
Thank you very much! Oh my God! Maraming salamat po sa pagkilala na yon. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you so much. Tonight, I am seen with this movie, with this project. I am finally seen. I have been participating at the Metro Manila Film Festival for years. This is the first time na meron akong award. Maraming salamat sa